Hello, in this quick tutorial we're going to go through Creative Cloud libraries and how to share or collaborate with them. So what we have here is our InDesign Creative Cloud library, and we're going to share it out. We open up our palette, and if we go to the top right corner of the palette, we can actually choose to share a link or collaborate. So we're going to start with collaborate, and that will open up your website asking if you want to log in. It may ask you if you want to log in, and then what you can do is actually enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. And you can choose whether you want them just to view the library or whether you want them to edit. So you can have a couple of editors working on all the background graphics, and they can edit and upload, or you can just have a production artist actually choosing to view and implement that into the actual page design. Once you've done that and you've invited them, they'll receive an email and it will prompt them to download or connect to your library. So what is the other method? The other method involves sharing a link. And in this one, what we do is we open up another window. And again, it may ask you to log into Adobe InDesign via the web if it hasn't already done so. But what we have here is our new link, and anyone with this link can view the contents. So they have a couple of options here. If they choose Allow Save to Creative Cloud, it means that they can actually take a copy of your library and download it to their Creative Cloud, and then they can actually change it any way they want. It has no effect on your original library. So they're basically making a copy and adding on and creating a new library for themselves. The other method is to allow them to follow, and what will happen then is that they'll still get to use your library, download it, but they cannot make changes. But anytime you make a change, it will update their library. So let's just copy this link, and I'm going to open up another browser, and I'll open up Safari this time, and paste that link into my site. So we can see here it has opened up the test library shared by me, and I can choose to follow, and I can choose to save. So again, I have both those options are okay. So if I follow, that's going to ask me to go through and sign in, and then I can actually go through and it will update my Creative Cloud, my copy of InDesign. It will import that library to there. So the other way is actually to do save, and it's going to look exactly the same, again, on your mobile device or in your desktop within your InDesign libraries. Go through and you can actually get access to that library. Okay, so it will ask you to sign in here to test that out. So here we are again a couple of minutes later, and we are now signed in as Mar, and Mar is following this library. So let's go to InDesign, and in this copy of InDesign I am now logged in, or am going to log in as Mar, and that is going to, so I'm now using someone else's version of InDesign, or I'm logged in as a different user in InDesign. So that is going to update or first sync my Creative Cloud accounts. And when it does, I should be able to go through and under libraries, I can now see test library. So I actually now have access to the library that was shared to me by Peter. And that is how we use a shared library.